Hello, I'm Michael, the General Manager of ZY Caraok. Today I will introduce to you a classical model in the EV charging station industry. It is MC. MC is the earliest portable DC EV charging station of ZY Caraok. It is movable, power from 7 kU to 60 kV, and it supports CCS1, CCS2, ChAdeMo, GBT. Because of its small size, lightweight, obvious price competitiveness, and ease of use, it can be quickly charged as soon as it is powered on, so it is favored by the lightweight charging power market. MC has 3 charging methods, very easy to use. The first is plug and charge. The second is password charging, and the third is book charging. ZY Caraok, new energy EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.